Look at that. I just brought this from one of the top supermarkets, and look at this. You know what I mean? I just take up the bag them to show my fans them to say, listen, sometimes we go to the top supermarket and we still have to look good of things where we buy. Alright? The other day I did a video of washing everything at home. You know what I mean? Even your time when you used to cook with it, you need to wash it. Scotch bonnet pepper, all of these things is very important. So basically I did the video the other day saying wash everything. This is, I'm doing another part 2 of it. So basically even this one, just take a good look guys, as I can see. Look at the dirt inside of it. Honestly, I feel like, you know what, I'm gonna chuck this one in the bin. I'm not gonna be even using this one. Put that one side. So basically I said to my fans the other day, wash everything what you use. Alright guys, look at these. You need to just wash them, get rid of those. You know what I mean? Because you don't even know who angle them. Even the very first time you just brought them, I just said, chop, I'm not gonna be washing that. Spring onion is another thing. A lot of people doesn't like to wash them. You need to wash it. When you look inside of the spring onion, sometimes when you look down inside of it, it's bare dirt. So, you know, you need to wash them sometime. Anyway, please go on my YouTube channel, leave your comments, and also give me a like and tell me what you think of what I'm doing right here. If it is important or it is not important. But I'm just simply sharing stuff with my fans. They say, I know a lot of people then just get things and start chop it up. No, it doesn't work that way. You can, you know what I mean? You need to make sure wash your stuff them before you use them. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Wash your vegetable before you use them. Very important, because you doesn't know who is touching them before you cook them at home. Give your kids, your family to eat, bringing bacterial germs in your fridge. But as I can see, them are looking good and nice and fresh, but take a good look again at this one. You see that? Dirty and filthy. I just take up the bag to show my fans them exactly. Sometimes it doesn't look, so it need to very look good when you're buying the stuff at the supermarket, at the local shop, anywhere. Because this, I'm gonna chuck this in the bin. This doesn't good. You have a cut on it and all these things. Look at the amount of dirt inside of it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.